Okay, what's up, VR Vibes? So, today, we're going to be teaching y'all how to, Yum Yum, the Yum Yum's turkey legs, this. We're gonna be teaching you how to do this. So, what you wanna do is, well, first you gotta run up here, go right here, and you know, we're just gonna cheat this, so, go right here, and then jump, go right here, on this wall, grab your turkey leg, or your poop, toss it right there, that's one. Toss it right here, no. Toss the second one, here, that's two. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that should get you the Yum Yum turkey leg. I already have it, so it looks like that. But that should get you the Yum Yum turkey leg. Here, look, in this order. Pause the video here if you want. So, Ruby, Banana, Angry Monkey, L Coin, King Monkey, Depressed Monkey, Happy Monkey, Poop, W, and that guy's seen shit. But yeah, that is the order of how to do it, and you should end up getting. I'll show you. My settings have been weird. What the heck? Okay. Over here. And then so equip it. Go here, press on poop, and go right here, and pick this. Hope this helped. If it did help, like and subscribe. Have a good day, y'all.